This is my personal view.
Yes, please.
Whatever jobs you want to do, or whatever position you are given, to me it is based on merit. If you can perform, why not? We got a lot of women engineers in JKR now. You know, I was given a briefing of one bridge, and it's a lady who gave me the briefing for the Limbang Bridge. As long as you have that sort of quality as engineer, you boleh naik ke pokok, you boleh pergi ke disaster ini waktu flood ini, menggunakan pants, tidak ada menggunakan sarung. If you can do that, why not? Kita baru saja melantik Deputy State Secretary Woman. Deputy State Secretary Woman. Makna dia, peluang kita beri kepada wanita. As long as you don't get constraint lah. Kalau dia married, dia keluar kerja, husband jangan jealous lah. Tak nak? Kalau tak, runtuhlah keluarga tu. Tapi kalau dia ada merit, dia boleh, why not? Saya tidak ada gender bias. Kalau laki saja tak, wanita tak meriah, mesti ada bunga lah. Kadang-kadang ni tak ada bunga ni, ya. Kalau ada bunga sini, ya, ada bau bunga ni. That is life. Provided they are able to perform, why not?